Hello everyone and welcome to the Python programming, and today we are going to learn the installation of Python. So let's begin it. First of all, open Google and type www.python.org/download and press enter. Okay, so you have come to the official website of the Python. It is a free software, so we can download it for free. So the latest version is available here, that is Python 3.8.65. so we can download it, or we can go for the older version. So let's download the latest. So the moment we will click this button, our files are getting, the setup is getting downloaded. Okay, so setup is downloaded. Now we will install it. Okay, so we want it to install. We'll just click this button and the setup is installing the Python. Okay, so our Python is downloaded, so let's close it. Okay, now let's see it in our computer. So this is our Python which is installed. We can click it and open it. So this is our Python interface. This is called IDLE, Integrated Development and Learning Environment. Okay, so I'll be teaching you about the two modes of working with Python in the next video. Okay, so I hope you find it very easy to download Python. Just download it yourself and learn the downloading process. Okay, so see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.